We're about to drive a few hundred miles in my 04 Cayenne Turbo with the dog, and I'm curious how many miles per gallon we're going to be able to get, because right now, in the first 90 miles that I've had the car, I've gotten 10.3 miles to the gallon actually, so I'm going to reset this right now. I'm going to hold to reset, and we're going to find out what happens on the highway. At just under 80 miles an hour, the 4.5 liter V8 was at less than 2,500 RPM. So it was getting 16.4 miles to the gallon. So we've driven 162 miles from San Diego to North Los Angeles County, and we're at 17.1 miles per gallon, which is way better than we were at before. That means that to go 100 miles, I would have to get about 6 gallons of gas, which in California is $30 to go 100 miles. Actually not horrible for this car. Average speed was 58 miles per hour because we did hit traffic at one point. But I think that this car could do 18 miles per gallon with no traffic, and it's got so much power. Check this out. If I go down gears here and just put my foot in it, plenty fast. So it's not bad. If you're gonna be road tripping in the 955 Cayenne Turbo, do it.